Berk. The best kept secret this side of, well, anywhere. Granted, it may not look like much, but this wet heap of rock packs more than a few surprises. Life here is amazing, just not for the faint of heart. You see, where most folks enjoy hobbies like whittling or needlepoint, we Berkians prefer a little something we like to call dragon racing.
Come on, Blarp. It's starting to stink around here.
Nope, still hates you. Let's blow this place, Belch!
That's 9 for the twins! Astrid lies with 3! Fish legs and Scotland Trail with none! And Hiccup is nowhere to be found.
Scared them off in the big talk, didn't you, Stone?
What are you doing, Snout? They're gonna win now.
She's my princess. Whatever she wants, she gets.
Didn't she try to bury you alive?
Only for a few hours.
Now, dragons used to be a bit of a problem here, but that was 5 years ago. Now they've all moved in. And really, why wouldn't they? We have custom stables, all-you-can-eat feeding stations, a full-service dragon wash. Even top-of-the-line fire prevention, if I do say so myself.
It's time, Gobber.
Righty-ho, last lap!
The black sheep! Come on, Stormfly! We can still win this thing! Come on, Barf!
Let's go!
Go, Meatlug!
Let's go! This is your big moment. Have a nice flight!
Yes! Good job, Meatlug! Here you go, darling. Mine's worth 10.
Yeah, the black sheep! You guys are fighting for Rothnut? I'm totally winning!
We're winning together.
Woo! No one can stop me now!
Except for me. We're attached, genius. Quit trying to steal all my glory! Get him, Astrid! It's my glory!
Always ruining everything!
No sheep, no glory!
Gotcha! Ha-ha! Whoa! Astrid!
Well played! That's my future daughter-in-law.
Woohoo!
Excuse me.
Starfly!
That's 13! Astrid takes the game!
Yep, Berk is pretty much perfect.